Welcome back to Wicked F150. Today we are swapping out the rear lights, the ones for the license plate and the ones for the cargo light up there. And I already swapped out one. As you can see, the big light difference there. Pull it back on here. So one on the left is a stock, and then the one on the right is these bulbs that I just got off Amazon. Came in a pack of 10, and it was only, I believe, like $14. The reviews on it wasn't bad. There was a lot of them, and I believe it has a 12-month warranty on them as well, and they'll replace them. So, I mean, at least they'll last for a year. I don't expect too much out of a little bulb to begin with. I'm not worried about it. It's, like I said, $14 for 10 of them. So, removing them, I know there's a lot of videos, but figured might as well show. All you do is you come up under your bumper, look right where the bulb would be, and right there it is. Just reach up like any other bulb. Now, if your hand's a little tight, like mine, hand's a little tight, just reach up around the side to get to it. Turn it counterclockwise, and there's your stock bulb. Now, these just pull out. I couldn't get that one. I couldn't just pull it out. I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was too small to get a good grip or what, but I could not get that bulb out. So, of course, I tried pliers. I tried 4 or 5 times, just fine. And then that last time, it just shattered the bulb. Which, whatever, I'm not going to put the stock ones back in anyway. But then, of course, it made it so much easier to pull out. So, let's see if this one will be any easier. All right. And yes, I got gloves on. It's not because I'm worried about getting dirty. It's because it's 25 degrees right now. But I couldn't let these bulbs just sit. I got to get it done. Anything that comes in for this truck, I got to do it that day I get it. Now, see, that one came out no problem. At least one of them did. Well, this one's being a bit of a tight fit here. There we go. All right. Now, the opposite. Put it back up in there, and you turn it clockwise. So again, I gotta grab it from the hole on the other side. Clockwise. And let's see how they both look. Beautiful. Definitely looks so much better to me than them yellow ones. And at least now it matches the LED light from the camera. So now we're up to these. These are easy. You just pop out those 4 screws. Already I've taken this off to tint that, which I may put another coat on because before I finish today, because it just doesn't, the tint didn't darken that piece as much as the headlights. But you just remove them 4 screws there, and which they are kind of long. They're probably about 1.5 inches, 2 inches maybe. But pull all 4 of them out. It just pulls right off. Just swap out the bulbs. And one's already changed. I mean, it literally takes a minute. Put it back on. All right. So there's the difference on the cargo light between the new ones and the stock. When it just went off, did you see that little flicker? I don't know what that's about. So I guess we'll see how these last. Like I said, the reviews on Amazon were all good. Didn't have any issues with them. So we'll see how it goes. Maybe because it's not I didn't secure the thing in yet. Still sitting in there a little loose. Maybe that's why. But we'll go ahead and change out the second one. And now both are changed. And I went ahead and actually changed out that brake light as well. Figured why not? The bulb fits. And like I say, I got 10 of them. And I've only used 4. Well, now 5 with changing out the brake light. But let's go ahead and tighten that up. I figured today is not the day for trying to tint that third light again. But I'm actually going to see about using the other 5, possibly in the cab. They are supposed to be able to fit, so we'll see about that. Add a little brighter of a light on the inside as well. I know it's not much of a video, but at least if you're on the fence or something about swapping them out, this will give you a better idea. Don't forget, if you liked it, hit that like button and subscribe. Have a good weekend.